low-cost business ideas you can start today with less than $3,000. Entrepreneurial journey with just a shoestring budget? In this video, we'll delve into 10 business ideas that not only require minimal startup costs but also offer the potential for impressive returns. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or pursue your dream of being a business owner, these options are accessible to you. But first, welcome to Ash Cash Tash, your destination for all things finance and investments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Microgreens farming. Embark on a captivating journey that showcases how a small investment can blossom into a thriving microgreens farm. Microgreens, renowned for their exceptional profitability, reveal their charm through their straightforward cultivation process. In this compelling story, one can witness the remarkable transformation from a small-scale endeavor to a flourishing microgreens business. As the narrative unfolds, it becomes evident that venturing into the world of microgreens doesn't necessitate a green thumb. It merely demands determination and a penchant for reaping bountiful rewards. Step into the shoes of an enterprising individual and explore the financial and agricultural advantages of delving into the realm of microgreens, where simplicity and profitability intersect harmoniously. Idea 1. Microgreens Farming Visual. In the world of microgreens, an inspiring tale unfolds, showcasing the vibrant potential of this unique agricultural venture. Picture racks adorned with lush, vibrant microgreens flourishing within the confines of an indoor farm. The magic of this narrative lies in the fact that with a modest 6-foot plant rack, one can initiate this journey with an initial investment of around $2,000. In this remarkable journey, one can witness how diligence and dedication led to achieving a staggering $60,000 in earnings within the very first year. What's most intriguing is the scalability of this endeavor. It allows starting small and gradually expanding the operation as profits soar, making it an accessible and rewarding path to agribusiness success. Idea 2. Window Cleaning Business Visual. In the realm of entrepreneurial endeavors, sometimes the most ordinary services can pave the path to success. Take, for instance, the unassuming but highly essential window cleaning business. While it might not initially strike one as a glamorous venture, it stands as a fundamental service sought after by both businesses and homeowners. This journey through entrepreneurship serves as a compelling example of how individuals can embark on this path with minimal initial capital and progressively expand their business. Imagine starting a window cleaning venture with just a few $100s in hand. The investment is modest, but the opportunities are promising. It's not uncommon to recoup your initial investment within just a few jobs, making this business particularly accessible for beginners. What's more, it offers the potential for a steady stream of income, making it an appealing prospect for those looking to establish themselves in the world of entrepreneurship. The simplicity and practicality of window cleaning as a service make it an ideal starting point for anyone eager to venture into business ownership. Virtual Assistance Agency. For those equipped with a blend of organizational prowess and tech savviness, the entrepreneurial landscape beckons with the prospect of establishing a virtual assistant agency. This endeavor aligns with one of the thriving industries in the modern business realm, offering substantial income prospects to those who dare to venture. The role of virtual assistants has evolved and expanded in recent years, mirroring the rapid digital transformation of businesses worldwide. Entrepreneurs, startups, and established companies alike are increasingly turning to virtual assistants to handle an array of tasks, from administrative duties to digital marketing endeavors. This growing demand signifies a burgeoning market for virtual assistant services. Building a virtual assistant agency requires a keen understanding of client needs and an adept team capable of delivering exceptional service remotely. Moreover, it necessitates effective project management and communication skills to ensure tasks are executed seamlessly. As the agency establishes itself and builds a solid reputation, the potential for substantial income becomes increasingly tangible. Idea 3. Virtual Assistant Agency Visual. Virtual assistant working diligently from a remote location. Your role involves connecting companies with skilled virtual assistants to handle tasks like customer support, data entry, and more. Fees range from $1,500 to $10,000 per month per client. And the best part is you don't need significant upfront capital. Design Services Business. Graphic design can transform your creative talents into a profitable venture. Brett Williams built Design Joy, a design agency, achieving over $1 million in annual recurring revenue. Idea 4. Design Services Business Visual. Graphic design projects and a design agency setup. With a 40% margin, you can comfortably cover your expenses and secure a healthy profit. Learn a digital skill, build a portfolio, and scale your services into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. Green Energy Solutions. Green energy solutions are in high demand as the world seeks more sustainable alternatives. You can establish a business offering energy-efficient products and services. Idea 5. Green Energy Solutions Visual. Installation of solar panels and showcasing energy-efficient products. This business aligns with environmental goals and can yield a strong ROI. While you will need initial funds for training and certification, the long-term benefits are substantial. Lead generation for service businesses. If you excel at finding leads, you can turn this skill into a lucrative business by connecting clients with subcontractors for various services. Before we move on to Idea 6, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Idea 6. Lead generation for service businesses visual. Streamlined lead generation process in building connections with subcontractors. By charging a percentage for each subcontractor service, you can create a profitable venture with low upfront costs. This business can scale rapidly as you secure more clients. Digital Marketing Agency. The digital marketing industry is thriving, and businesses are constantly seeking experts to navigate the digital landscape. Idea 7. Digital Marketing Agency Visual. Digital marketing strategies in action and the setup of a digital marketing agency. You can start small, offering services like social media management, SEO, or content creation. As your client base grows, you can expand your offerings and develop your agency into a flourishing enterprise. Personal branding and consulting. Building a personal brand and offering consulting services can be a rewarding path to entrepreneurship. Leverage your expertise to help others while generating income. Idea 8. Personal branding and consulting visual. Personal branding efforts and consulting sessions. Your startup costs here are primarily associated with marketing and establishing your brand. With a clear value proposition, you can attract clients willing to pay for your insights and guidance. Dropshipping business. E-commerce continues to surge, and dropshipping offers a low-risk entry into this lucrative arena. By partnering with suppliers, you can sell products without the need for inventory. Idea 9. Dropshipping business visual. Dropshipping model explained and an online store in action. Start by setting up an online store, selecting a niche, and connecting with reliable suppliers. The beauty of dropshipping is that you only purchase products when you make a sale, making it a low-cost business to launch. Content creation and monetization. If you have a passion for creating content, consider turning it into a money-making venture. From blogging to YouTube channels, there are numerous ways to monetize your creative pursuits. Idea 10. Content creation and monetization visual. Various content creation platforms and monetization strategies. While the initial investment is minimal, your dedication and consistency will be crucial to building an audience. As your followers grow, so will your income through advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. These 10 business ideas prove that you don't need a massive investment to launch your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're intrigued by microgreens farming, window cleaning, virtual assistants, or any of the other opportunities, there's a pathway to success that suits your budget and ambitions. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. Thank you for joining us today on your financial journey. If you found this information valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a financial update. Until next time, see you later!